What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, there's no WRX stuff guys. Today we're working on an Elantra, finally. We've been doing some research on finding out what kind of parts to do, what kind of parts to make. So I'm gonna give you a rundown today, what we're gonna do and what we're planning to do. But I'm at Elantra right now and they're ready to tinted the windows. I'm gonna show you the windows real quick. Kevin be installing all my stuff. And then they also do tint and wrap. So I went with the 20% tint all around. The back windshield, the 2 rear doors, and then the 2 front doors. I didn't get the front windshield because I feel like it's kind of dark. On the Subaru, we have the front windshield 7%, but I feel like it's a little bit too dark in my opinion, driving at night. So I decided to leave that open. Some plans for the car, obviously, is our aero kit and whatnot. Pin strip, we're gonna get this all wrapped in satin black, so color match. All the red you see on the car will be gone, except for the brake calipers. Today, we are actually installing our very first set of wheels. So today I'm gonna give you guys an insight on the wheel fitment guide for the Hyundai. I keep saying Hyundai or Hyundai. You know what? So today I'm gonna give you an insight on the guide, on the fitment guide for the Elantra N. On the stock wheels is 19 inch, okay, 19 by 8. So we decided to go with the 18 inch. I feel like the 18 inch, well, it's a small diameter, so the car will naturally sit about an inch lower, so that'll look pretty good. And I went with some Koenig Hypergram 18 and 8.5 with a 35 offset with a 245/40 Falcon tire, same on our WRX. The reason why I went with the 8.5, so originally I'll do some calculations with the stock wheels. If you go to offsetcalculator.com, you can calculate all that stuff, plug it in. You can't go too wide on this, okay? First of all, there's no suspension. No one makes suspension yet. There is a company in Korea that makes springs, but I feel like the springs, they're not progressive springs. We'll go into that detail later, but anyways, they have the spring. I don't want to get it yet because I want to see how it fits with this, because the car really looks pretty low already compared to other stock cars. So with the car being slightly lowered already, I think this size will be perfect. All my calculations, I don't know yet, let's find out. So again, 8.5, 35 offset. We could have went with a 9.5, but I feel like it's gonna poke too much and get into fender issues. But I'm excited to see how they look. So this is a bronze finish, as you can see. Oh my goodness, look how beefy it is. So kind of like, you know, track tires essentially. You know, Falcon should sponsor us, to be honest. We bought so many Falcon tires. I'm gonna hit him up, see if he can sponsor us. Base is not too fat. Like it doesn't have a concave look. If originally it was supposed to go T's, 18 by 9s, there weren't any available. So I know you can get away with the 9. I think, I don't know. We'll find out as we go along with this build. But for now, we're gonna run these 18 by 8.5s. They're pretty light. I think they're about like 30 pounds lighter than the stock wheels. So yeah, let's get this on today. Enjoy the B-rolls. Let's get it mounted. And I'm very excited to see how this looks. Any content you want to see for the Hyundai, you know, we have a lot of stuff coming. Comment below in the comments, let us know what parts we should do, performance. There's so much stuff to do. We're gonna do an exhaust video for you guys soon. Boomba racing, you know, they're sending some stuff too. So we have a lot of stuff coming for this car. We're making a custom front aero lift kit. My heart is with the WRX right now, but I'm slowly spending more time with this car. The owner made me drive this car for a week. Front wheel drive, I still gotta get used to it. I'm just, you know, definitely, you know, I do recommend this car for, like I said, for the price. Pretty freaking amazing. For the technology. All right guys, for comparison, 19 by 8, 18 by 8.5. So definitely a lot wider, about half an inch wider. The offset is, I don't know the offset on top of my head, but it's a 35 offset. I believe this is the 55 offset from a 35 offset. So, you know, it's gonna definitely be poking a lot more out from the inside. So let's put it on. Oh, check out, since we're here, check out the rotor right here. Oh man, so dirty. Pretty nice fat rotor. What is this? I've never seen this before. It's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and mount this. Oh, I'm excited. You know, don't you just love putting wheels on? Oh, look at that clearance. Alright guys, you can see it looks pretty sick already, not gonna lie. Brake clearance. Here, I'll show you in a bit. It's a pretty small fit, but here's another. Dude, they got the wrong size. Yeah. We did run into issue though, because our lug nuts, we got the wrong lug nuts. We got 1.25. Hyundai uses a 12 by 1.5. So we're kind of stranded right now. And then we're gonna wait until our friend calls back to see if he has any lug nuts at a store nearby. In the meantime, I don't know if I like the center cap. Okay, so Kone comes with the center cap, which you gotta lock in, which I don't know why they designed like this. I mean, I guess no, you know, to hide thieves from stealing your center caps. I'm gonna take this off because I like running no center caps, guys, in my opinion. The only center cap I'll put on my car is the BBS center cap. So I think the BBS logo, the red and gold, looks sick. But no one else can put a really nice center cap. Okay, here we go. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna let it sit right there. All right, guys. So that's the no center cap look, and I think it looks hideous because you can see the center bore right there. Oh man, that looks terrible. All right, you know what? All right, Jerry, I'm gonna have you put this on while I go make a phone call. Alright guys, so Jerry just went to pick up our new lug nuts. These are the SR48 Muteki lug nuts. They're just some comparison. It's a little bit bigger, and the other one, it has an open end versus a closed end. So thank God our friend has them in stock. So we're gonna slap these on. And also, by the way, Ely Wraps are gonna actually wrap it today. So pretty awesome. Very excited for that. The owner of Aerodynamics is here today, huh? He's gonna pick up a personal GR86, so you guys might see some GR86 content, you know. But oh, it's right there. I'm just kidding. That's Spam Subies. That's Steven's car. We'll check that out in a bit after we finish this. Okay, Steven, I'm gonna take a car, bro. Go do some donuts.
Kind of disappointed in Jeff's performance these days with his YouTube channel. Definitely not looking like Donut Media. Doesn't seem like he knows how to install wheels because the rest looks like it got its wheels. We have Jeff rolling the wheels in. He's about to run over the lug nuts again. So I hope you guys enjoy this Elantra N that we got. Wheel selection is very limited, as Jeff says.
All right, guys. 1,000 likes. I'm gonna do a face reveal to see who he is. The owner knows absolutely nothing about wheels. I'm here to teach him how to do wheels, you know.
Oh my God.
Don't mind the wheel gap because the E breaks up right now, okay? As you can see the front, we're kind of poking a good amount right now. Yeah, I don't know if we're gonna rub, but we'll find out. But it looks pretty good. Comment below what you guys think, guys. I think it looks not my favorite type of wheels, but for the first setup, I think this will do. A fellow YouTuber just showed up. Hella popular. Check it out. Check it out. Look. This is put the camera in. Yo, if you guys don't know him, his name is Steven Spam Subi, aka Daddy Spam. You know, he has a bunch of spam in his house. Yeah, he's make sure you give him a follow, guys. This is in his BRZ right here. You should go close and just here, go close and just do it. Hi, Steven.
Get no sub.
What do you mean?
The mic's on you.
Yeah, we're filming for the Elantra.
Sup?
Alright guys, make sure you go to Steven's page and comment below, tell him to get the Aeroflow on it, okay? Alright guys, the next day, Ely Wraps here. They finished the car. As you can see, the car looks like a whole new car in my opinion. Front black, red is removed, deleted with the vinyl wrap. The side skirts along with the back. Definitely, also the window tint as well. Definitely transformed the car in my opinion. It went from that, you know, the tacky redness just to a more clean, aggressive black and gray look. Obviously for the wheels, you can see the calipers are popping a lot more now. Look right in the front. We have pretty much a very, maybe like a 3mm clearance, but it clears. So if you are interested in these wheels, you can purchase it online. I'll drop the link below for where I got it. And also I took it for a drive already. There's no rubbing issues at all whatsoever. So as you can see, it's pretty, it pokes ever so slightly so, but the suspension is pretty stiff on end mode and we had no rubbing. Drives awesome. I can't wait to get some springs and hopefully some suspension, get the car lowered a little bit more, maybe like maybe like an inch drop or half an inch drop. I think it'll give it a perfect fitment with a little bit more camber. But in the meantime, I think it looks phenomenal. The bronze and the gray and the black right now looks perfect. See how we did the red pin strip here to match the brakes? Spicy. But yeah, the car looks great, especially the front now. So the movie Suicide Squad, okay? There's a character called the Shark. King Shark. You kind of look like that now, right? It's so aggressive, so menacing. Like,
what's your guys' yours?
It kind of does like a little mini Urus, but like the headlights here, see, like we did with the overlays here. So all the parts that I talked about today, I'll put the link in the description below. Oh, by the way, if you want to get this overlay done in the front, sorry, the red delete, okay, I'll call it the red trim delete. You can hit up Elite Wraps. They're about $450 for the whole thing. So that includes the front, sides, and the rear. And come back to the rear. I'm probably gonna delete all this, take this off. I feel like this is Elantra. Hey, how about Elantra? But check out the E, Elantra, and oh, that sounds way more sexy. But no, we're gonna delete all this off except for this one. Maybe paint this black or something. I don't know yet. As you can see, the red is gone here, no more. It looks a lot more sleek. The design, the diffuser pops a lot more. At Aeroflow, we were gonna be making a rear diffuser under here. Some spats, some side skirts, a front lip, a splitter, wing, window visors. You guys already know. But in the meantime, yeah, this will be the current setup right now. Let me know if any questions. Like I said, the wheel fitment wise, you can go with a 9, but I think your rub, I think 8.5 with a 35 offset is the perfect setup for this car currently. But we're gonna play and, you know, adjust as we go. So yeah, that's it for this update. Enjoy these B-rolls coming out because I've been wanting to see some B-rolls for this car. And make sure to hit the subscribe button and a comment below if you know, see any parts or mods. Oh, by the way, we have an emblem delete coming. So we're gonna take this off and have a cover piece come on. We'll get into details later about that. Shout out to Elite Wraps for getting the, you know, the delete done in a timely manner. So we're gonna take this car right now for a spin. That's it for this week's video. I'll see you guys next week.